Hi Gemini, welcome to your weekly reading for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And I am sorry that they're a little late. I got busy somehow this week and time got away from me. But this is from now until the 12th. And then I'm going to do strawberry moon energies and a weekend energy for love. The link down to my Etsy shop is below. And there is a sale going on till the 2nd of July. It's a summer sale within Etsy. And there are 20% off certain readings on my page. The power of purpose. I feel like, right, you're hitting the bullseye this week. Might be feeling very accomplished this week. Different perspective on things. For some of you that are on a spiritual journey, might be realizing what you're worth, you know, what you were, your journey, what you were meant to do in this lifetime. All right, for a Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus spirit. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Oh, actually, theirs came out weird. All right. Begin now. Take your first step. There's something that might be offered to you. It's like you feel like you finally figured out what you were meant to do. Unknown territory. You were exactly where you need to be. Yeah, something's happening. A realization that what you thought you wanted to do when it came to your career or what your purpose in life is, I feel like for some of you, you're starting to figure that out. Spirits say you're definitely on the right track. It might be this path that you choose, this first step, that you meet people that were meant to be in your life. Oh, look at that. 6 of Clouds, wonder. It's like better times are ahead. Moving to a more peaceful, harmonious time. Leaving troubled waters or, you know, things that you might just have had difficulty with. You might have been in the energy of like one thing, like a black cloud was over you. One thing just kept happening after another. You're moving out of that energy. All right. Beginning energy, King of Clouds. Spiraling renewal. It's the mental clarity for this week. Very mentally stable this week. The middle of the week, the Hierophant, the channel. It's the trusting your spirit source. That even though it's unknown territory, the light is right there. And you're trusting the spirit is guiding you exactly where you need to be. The cleansing process. I really feel like for some of you, this is big. The end of the week, the 10 of Wands, the Oasis, the 10 of Cups. Just being in awe with the people around you, with your connections, your friends, your family. It's like the storybook ending. Some of you might live by a waterfall twice. I feel like a cleansing. For some of you, look on YouTube, do cleansing ritual this week. Get out all the stale energy, the negative energy, things that might have ended that you're still holding on to, like past events. But with the mental stability this week, it's like you're rising up from, you're just doing that cleansing process and you're realizing things. You're getting clarity. What you would need to embrace, the Knight of Snow, the adapt. See how everything is white and glistening, pure, Fast moving energy too. And what you need to let go of. The 10 of Clouds, the connection. Let go of anything that didn't work out this week. There were certain like goals that you had set for yourself. If you didn't get to the gym, if you didn't get as many loads of wash done, or if you didn't, you know, if you, just things that might have ended. But there's always a reason that things don't work out exactly the way you have planned. And look at the rainbow. Pay attention to rainbows this week. Feel accomplished by the end of the week because you're moving to a calmer state within yourself. I love this. All right, Gemini. All right, Spirit, please clarify the King of Clouds for the beginning of the week energy. The King of Clouds. See, the 10 of Cups twice. Very, very meant, and look, 2 rainbows. Seriously, pay attention to the rainbows. There might have been like some sadness within your family life. Somebody very close to you just made you feel alone or hurt your feelings. But you're getting it over it. You're allowing it to heal. Could have been a water sign. But I feel like they're also coming in with an apology too. Please clarify the Hierophant, Spirit. For some of you, with the 2 of Raphael coming out, for some of you, it could be an air sign coming in. They're coming in knowing that they see you as their person. Why is the 10 of Wands here? Could be a fire sign. They're coming in to sweep you off your feet. For some of you, they're definitely coming in to give you an offer. The Knight of Snow. Please clarify the Knight of Snow, Spirit. Yep. They're coming in because they want to move past whatever struggles you guys went through. They see better times ahead with you. And why is the 10 of Clouds here, Spirit? Brand new, passionate beginning. Wow. This person is making a decision. For some of you, it could be a brand new connection coming in your life. Why are there 2 rainbows here, Spirit? Your ships are coming in. Your dreams are being answered. Wow. All right, for Gemini Sun, Moon. Thank you. Butterfly, a change for the better. Transformation. Rabbit, too much concern with sexual matters. For some of you, it might be for some of you. This is, oh wow. Gemini, you must be rocking it this week so far. Because these are amazing cards coming out. 4-leaf clover, great good fortune, a change for the better. For some of you, you might be being pestered to have sex. Who knows? It's going to be different for all of you. All right, Spirit, the rest of my Geminis. The rest of my Geminis. All right. Vulture, depression, anxiety, worry that someone is against you. I feel like that's the energy that might be coming in from last week, because with the King of Clouds, it's like your mind over matter. You're getting past that. Inkpot, problems to be resolved. Yeah, for some of you, it might be somebody coming in to give you an apology and that they want a brand new beginning with you. With it taking the first step, it's like take that step towards what is coming in. It might put you on the right path. It's like, you know, I really feel like it's someone that I feel like there's an offer coming in for most of you when it comes to love and passion. And pay attention to rainbows, like I said, in the near future. After a storm, while you're scrolling on social media, could be on a billboard. 33, cosmic sapphire. Look at all that healing energy. Act with honor and integrity. Speak your truth. And one more message from Archangel Michael. It's more like a prayer. Make a commitment. Archangel Michael, as the angel of courage and confidence, I call upon you to lend me your strength. Allow me to commit to myself, my life, and my divine purpose. Please clearly guide me so that I can fully open my heart to every experience. Your power of purpose for some of you could just be connecting to your spirit source, becoming closer to them. They are guiding you down the right path. So for this offer that is coming in, accept it, because it's going to put you on the right path. All right, love and light. Stay safe.